Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bhavika Sharma and today we are going to do something fun. So today we are making a chocolate cake for my brother. So today is my brother's birthday and I decided to make a cake for him. So I love chocolate cakes and homemade cakes are the best. So before we started today's video guys, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जाकर पहले सब्सक्राइब कर लो. And you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. And yeah, now let's get started.
So we are gonna need 7 packets of biscuits, 5 to 7 chocolates, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, some fresh butter, 1 glass of milk, some choco chips, baking soda, cocoa powder and baking powder. Okay, so firstly take a jar and put butter in the jar and add 4 tablespoons of sugar and then whisk the butter with the help of spoon. Take a bowl and add some chocolates and some warm milk and mix well so our chocolates will be converted into chocolate syrup. Add some chocolate syrup into whisked butter cream and mix well. Then take a jar and grind the biscuits properly. And now we are gonna add 1 cup of sugar, half cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half tablespoon of baking soda. Now we are gonna add milk little by little and mix it. Make sure it doesn't become too thick or thin. Now we are gonna take a baking pan and add some butter into it and make sure you spread it properly. And then spread some flour all over and then remove all the extra flour. And then take a pan and add some salt and then cover the pan and preheat it. And now add some choco chips and put the mixture to the baking pan and spread all over some choco chips. And don't forget to tap the mixture properly. And now bake the cake approx 45 to 50 minutes on low flame. After 50 minutes later, check the cake and turn off the gas and let it cool. Then put the cake in the plate and cut it into 2 layers. Now we are gonna apply some sugar syrup all over the cake and then spread some cream on the first layer with the help of spatula. Now repeat the process with the other layer. Spread the cream all over the cake and then put the cake in the fridge for 15 minutes. Now we are gonna add some dark melted chocolate and then spread it properly. And then spread some chocolate powder on the cake. And now it's time for decorate my cake, so I decided to decorate it with some choco chips and some grated chocolates. Now keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours and our cake is ready to eat. Can't wait to eat this cake because it looks so delicious.
So yeah, that's it for today's video and I hope you find this recipe so useful. And अगर आपको ये केक पसंद आया है तो please appreciate me in the comment section. And for more cooking videos, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.